What's up guys? If you're new to the channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe so you'll be updated. This is just a continuation of the Haji Lane episode. If you haven't watched it, click on the above link. Kampong Glam is known as Singapore's Muslim quarter. Prior to colonization by the British in 1819, the area was home to the Malay aristocracy of Singapore. The word Kampong means village in Malay, while Gelam refers to a paper bark tree that is frequently used for building ships. Known for its beautiful 19th century shophouses, most of them have been transformed into stores selling textiles and restaurants. Right smack in Kampong Glam is its centerpiece, Masjid Sultan. It has a huge golden dome, so you'll recognize it easily. It was built in 1924 and gazetted as a national monument on 1975. The route leading up to the iconic mosque is flanked by rows of shops selling variety of textiles and delicious Middle Eastern fare. When you walk down the street, it has a very Middle Eastern feel with all the Turkish and Lebanese restaurants around. Another interesting spot in Kampong Glam is the Vintage Camera Museum. Here is where you can find an impressive collection of over 1,000 vintage cameras as well as rare photographs. Besides Haji Lane, there are other spots to see street art occasions in Kampong Glam, and one of them is here in Victoria Street. What's great here is it's not that crowded since it's far from the cafes and shop, so you will have all the time in the world to take some pictures. Alright, I'll go back to where the action is, but I'll make a stop over here in the back lanes of Muscat Street, also known as Gelam Gallery. Alright, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed my little tour of Kampong Glam. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next episode. Peace!